BarryTiger. Subscribe! Crazy monster truck!
It's such a nice day today.
Yes, it's great for an outing.
What was that?
Stay away! Stay away! I can't control myself!
Help me! Help me! Run for your life! Monster truck is crazy!
Wait, what happened to me?
This way, over here. Be careful. Wow, what a big guy. Thanks a lot, Tow Truck William.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Dear friends, let's repair Monster Truck together. We should give Monster Truck a checkup first. Oh, there's a problem with the gas tank. Let's open the hood and start repairing. Why is it all red in the gas tank? Let me take a look. It's chili oil. Monster Truck added the wrong fuel. No wonder he went out of control. Let us use the water pump to remove it. And then we'll add in the correct fuel. Monster Truck, you're awake. Your jaw dropped. Don't worry, I will fix it. Hang in there, it's almost done.
Oh, wow! Awesome, I can finally speak! Super Mechanic Barry, could you fix my arm too?
Sure thing. There, all done.
Indeed! Look, I can even dance now!
The repair is done. Dear friends, you did great.
Super Mechanic Barry, thank you so much for your help!
You're welcome.
Oh, Monster Truck, you're finally back to normal.
I'm so sorry about what happened today.
It's okay.